Hey guys, in this video, we'll learn how to link an external bank account on Novo. If you don't have a Novo account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also share some bonus resources in the description below, to help you grow and manage your business efficiently. Let's dive right in. If you already have an account on Novo, go to the website novo.co. Once you're on the website, you will see an option that says Log In. Click on Log In. Then, on the fields provided, enter your email and password. Once the email and password is entered, click on Log In. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on the option that says Add Money. Then, at the upper left corner of this page, you will see an option that says Manage Bank Accounts. Click on Manage Bank Accounts. Next, click on Add an Account. Then on this page, you will see that Novo uses Plaid to verify your bank account. To proceed, click on Link Account with Plaid. Now, on the field provided, enter your phone number. Once the phone number is entered, click on Continue. Before you could proceed, you will be asked to use the reCAPTCHA first. To do that, click on the checkbox beside the text that says I'm not a robot. Next, enter the verification code sent to the number you have provided. Then click on Continue. After that, you have to select the account you wish to add to Novo. Click on the account you wish to choose. Then click on Confirm. That's how you link an external bank account on Novo. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.